Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English practice series.
Hi guys! Today we're going to talk about something very important. How to practice English speaking.
Yes, many people understand English, but they feel nervous when they speak.
Don't worry, in this video, we'll share simple and practical ways to improve your English speaking skills.
Laura, what's the first step to improve speaking?
The first step is simple: speak every day.
Even if we make mistakes.
Especially if we make mistakes. Mistakes help us learn.
That's true. When I started learning English, I was shy.
What did you do?
I talked to myself in English at home.
That's a great method. You can describe what you are doing. For example, I am cooking. I am cleaning my room. I am watching TV.
Yes, it helps you think in English.
Another great way is to practice with a friend.
Like we are doing now.
Exactly. Choose simple topics like daily routine, hobbies, food, or weekend plans.
And don't worry about perfect grammar.
Right. Focus on communication, not perfection.
You can also join online speaking groups.
Yes, speaking with different people improves confidence.
Sometimes I don't know the right words. What should I do?
Learn 5 new words every day.
Only 5?
Yes, small steps every day create big results.
That sounds easy.
Also, listen to English conversations, podcasts, or watch videos.
And repeat the sentences.
Yes, this method is called shadowing. Listen and repeat immediately.
That helps with pronunciation and fluency.
One powerful habit is thinking in English.
That sounds difficult.
At first, yes, but start with simple thoughts. For example, I am feeling tired. I need to finish my work. I am excited about tomorrow.
So instead of translating from our native language, we think directly in English.
Exactly. That makes you speak faster and more naturally.
I feel nervous when speaking English.
Then record yourself speaking for 2 minutes daily.
Really?
Yes, listen to your recording and notice your mistakes.
That will help me improve pronunciation.
And it builds confidence.
So, to improve English speaking, we should speak every day, practice with friends, learn new words, think in English, record ourselves.
Exactly. Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight.
It happens with daily practice.
Don't wait for the perfect moment.
Start today. Start now.
Your English will improve step by step.
And one day, you'll speak confidently without fear.
Keep practicing, keep believing, and never give up.
Laura, I've been practicing English every day, but I still don't sound fluent. What am I missing?
That's a good question. Let me ask you something. Do you practice speaking naturally, or do you just memorize sentences?
Honestly, I memorize sentences sometimes.
That's helpful in the beginning. But real fluency comes from spontaneous speaking.
What do you mean by spontaneous speaking?
Speaking without preparing too much. For example, pick a random topic and talk about it for 3 minutes.
Any topic?
Yes, for example, social media, success, education, travel, or even your future goals.
Sometimes I answer in short sentences.
That's normal. But to sound advanced, try expanding your answers.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Instead of saying, I like English, say, I enjoy learning English because it helps me communicate with people from different countries and improves my career opportunities.
Oh, that sounds much more natural and confident.
Exactly. Add reasons, examples, and feelings.
I understand English, but when I speak, I pause a lot.
That happens because your brain is translating.
Yes, I translate from my native language.
Try this technique: set a timer for 1 minute and speak without stopping.
Even if I make mistakes.
Yes, the goal is fluency, not perfection.
That will train my brain to think faster.
Exactly. Fluency is about flow, not perfect grammar.
How can I sound more natural?
Learn common phrases and expressions instead of single words.
Like what?
For example, to be honest, in my opinion, as far as I know, it depends on the situation.
These phrases give me time to think.
Yes, they are called filler phrases, and native speakers use them all the time.
I feel confident at home, but nervous in public.
Then practice real-life situations.
Such as?
Ordering food, asking for directions, giving opinions in meetings, or making small talk.
Small talk is difficult for me.
Start simple. Ask questions like, how was your day? What do you usually do on weekends? Have you watched any good movies lately?
That makes conversations longer.
Exactly. Good speakers ask good questions.
So, what's the secret to advanced English speaking?
There's no secret. Just consistency and smart practice.
Smart practice?
Yes. Speak daily. Expand your answers. Think in English. Use natural expressions. Practice real-life conversations. Don't fear mistakes.
I think confidence is also important.
Absolutely. Confidence grows with practice.
I feel more motivated now.
Good. Remember, fluency is a journey, not a race.
Step by step, day by day.
And one day, you'll speak English naturally without thinking too much.
Thank you, Laura.
Anytime, keep practicing and never give up.
Laura, can I be honest?
Of course. What's on your mind?
I can speak English now, but I still don't feel fluent. Sometimes I feel stuck in the middle of a sentence.
That's completely normal. Fluency isn't just about vocabulary. It's about flow and confidence.
Flow. I like that word. How do I improve it?
Start by connecting your ideas smoothly. Instead of speaking in separate sentences, link them together.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Instead of saying, I was tired, I didn't go out.
Oh, that sounds much smoother.
Say I was feeling exhausted, so I decided to stay home instead of going out. Exactly. Use connecting words like so, because, even though, however, actually. On the other hand,
Sometimes I stop speaking because I think my grammar is wrong.
that's one of the biggest mistakes learners make.
Really?
Yes, native speakers make mistakes too. Fluency is about expressing ideas clearly, not being 100% perfect.
So I shouldn't overthink?
Exactly. Overthinking blocks fluency.
That explains why I speak better when I'm relaxed.
See? Confidence changes everything.
I study grammar a lot. Is that enough?
Grammar is important, but real conversations teach you natural rhythm.
What should I listen to?
Interviews, podcasts, daily vlogs. Anything with natural speaking.
And just listen?
Not just listen. Pause and repeat. Copy the tone, speed, and emotion.
Like acting?
Exactly, pretend you're the speaker. It improves pronunciation and expression.
I want to sound more intelligent when I speak English.
Then practice giving opinions with reasons.
For example,
Instead of saying social media is bad, say, in my opinion, social media can be harmful if we don't use it wisely, because it often distracts us from our real goals.
that sounds much more mature.
Yes, add explanations. That's how conversations become meaningful.
What if I forget a word in the middle of speaking?
Don't panic. Explain the word in another way.
Like how?
For example, if you forget the word umbrella, you can say the thing we use when it rains.
That's smart.
Communication is more important than vocabulary.
When did you feel truly confident in English?
When I stopped being afraid of judgment.
That's powerful.
Remember, most people are not judging you. They're just listening.
I think fear is the biggest barrier.
Yes, once you break that fear, your fluency improves naturally.
So fluency is not magic.
No, it's daily practice, confidence, and patience.
Speak more, fear less.
Exactly.
I've realized something today.
What's that?
English is not just a subject. It's a skill.
And skills improve with action.
Then I'll keep practicing. No excuses.
That's the spirit. One conversation at a time.
Step by step.
Day by day.
Laura, I've been thinking, why do some people study English for years but still struggle to speak fluently?
That's a deep question. I think the problem isn't knowledge, it's application.
Application?
Yes, many learners consume English. They read, listen, and watch, but they rarely produce it.
So they're passive learners?
Exactly. Fluency requires active participation.
Sometimes I still feel like a student, not a speaker.
That mindset matters a lot.
How can I change it?
Start seeing English as a communication tool, not a school subject.
That makes sense.
For example, instead of saying, I am practicing English, say, I am using English to express my ideas.
That small change feels powerful. I can talk about daily topics, but serious discussions feel challenging.
Then challenge yourself with meaningful topics, like leadership, personal growth, technology, or success.
But what if I don't have enough vocabulary?
Research the topic first, learn key terms. Then try explaining the concept in your own words.
So preparation builds confidence.
Absolutely. Preparation reduces hesitation.
I want to sound natural, not robotic.
Then focus on intonation and emotion.
Intonation?
The rise and fall of your voice. Fluent speakers don't speak in a flat tone.
So I should sound more expressive?
Yes. Emphasize important words. Change your tone when you're excited, serious, or surprised.
That will make my speech more engaging.
Exactly. Communication is not just words, it's energy.
At this level, what is the biggest obstacle?
Subtle mistakes and lack of precision.
What do you mean by precision?
Choosing the exact word that fits the situation.
For example,
Instead of saying very important, say essential or crucial. Instead of very difficult, say challenging or demanding.
that sounds more professional.
Yes, advanced fluency is about clarity and accuracy.
How can I prepare for real-world situations like interviews or presentations?
Practice structured speaking. Yes, organize your thoughts into 3 parts. 1. Introduction. 2. Main idea with examples. 3. Clear conclusion.
Structured? That's like giving a mini-speech.
Exactly. And record yourself to analyze your performance.
I guess self-evaluation is important.
Extremely important. Growth comes from reflection.
Do you think anyone can become fluent?
Without a doubt. But not everyone is consistent.
So discipline is more important than talent?
100%. Talent may give you a fast start, but discipline gives you long-term success.
That's inspiring.
Fluency isn't built in a week. It's built in daily habits.
Today I realized something important.
What is it?
Speaking English fluently isn't about sounding impressive. It's about expressing myself clearly and confidently.
That's true mastery.
And mastery requires patience.
And courage.
And consistent effort.
Exactly, even when it feels uncomfortable.
Because discomfort leads to growth.
Yes, every conversation makes you stronger.
Then I won't stop here.
Good. This is just the beginning.
Keep practicing. Keep improving. Keep moving forward.